to show you how it looks. So this is the big reveal. Are we ready?
So this is how the livery looks. Nice with the pinstripe black on it. There's the front. And Max is here now. Put in the dash.
This one and this.
Just working on the rear lights. Got the main wiring loom coming down there. Made that little bracket up there. And so it looks inside. So all those switches there. So we'll put some vinyl wrap loop on there. There's only 3 plugs to take it out. Max has done all the wiring on the back now. Those gaskets are a pain in the arse, aren't they? The newer ones, they just don't, you gotta really fiddle with them. Okay, so here we are inside. So the main switch is there, and I'll turn it on and you'll see the light come on for the ignition. You can then pop your ignition on. This gives you the charge light, and then the fuel light, and then you can start the engine. So if you turn the ignition off, you turn the power to the fuel off as well, and you can flick that off afterwards. So we've got oil pressure gauge, charge light. These are the oh sorry, turn the ignition off. You can see the flashes there, and we've just got to do the front ones now. So I've put all this together. Max has just left. He's been here since 11 o'clock this morning, and that's why we haven't had a chance to do the fill. So yeah, we're good. We have pink stop lights. I'll show you. Excuse me. Unfortunately, I've got these new ones, and they're the white ones on the back, but the up bulbs are quite old, and so they look pink, don't they? So can you put them together, the wires?
Yeah.
So you put them on, and I'll show you what you mean by pink. The ignition on.
Okay.
Yeah, go on. You can see they're kind of pinky coloured. They're definitely pink here anyway, so we'll have them done. So, there you go. It's all running.
I'm going to show you how it looks. So this is the big reveal. Are we ready?
Yes.
That's good. So, there she is. I'll put the camera up and I'll just take you around and let you have a look.
Okay, so those are the decals we had made on the front. It's not all strapped down yet. We've got still got some parts coming from Mini Spares tomorrow. A new competition fuel pump, an insert for the thermostat housing, and quite a few other bits and pieces. So the front has just been put on just now, just to show you what the livery looks like. I think it looks quite nice. There's a few channels there you might know. Let's pull you back out here. There's quite a few more decals to go on it, but that's basically it at the moment. even wrap the wing mirrors. I'll take you around the other side. So this is a nice little feature. This is obviously a false petrol cap. So Amir made a pot for it. As you can see, there's nothing inside. It's solid in the bottom. We're going to put maybe put a church key in there, a beer opener, bottle opener. So there we are. Same on the other side. And as you saw, the dash is all working fine. What we're going to do now is put all the rest of the dash back together and the front roll cage. We haven't put it in for obvious reasons because Max was working in there and it would have been difficult with the roll cage in the way. So there we are. And we're putting door cards on here and just an opener and a handle for pulling it on. That's it. This is the mechanism in here we've made for the roof. They're just brass latches, but they do the job and they're spring loaded. So when you pull back on the latch, it'll spring up automatically. So there we are. You can see the bonnet's up a little bit at the moment. We will be getting it like that so that the air can come out the back. Depending on if it's overheating or there's any issues with it or whatever. So there she is, in her glory. You can see the front suspension's got to be pulled down. Well, not pulled down, but lowered. The rear suspension's on its lowest point, but not the front. So, there we go. And it's up and running. Just need to do some things to really finish it off. Like obviously, here we've got to bend this down a bit more. And these will be touched in with blue. And even those were painted orange to match up. You can see them in there. But we'll do these and bend this. This is aluminium, so it basically needs to come down like that, all the way around. So, I hope you agree. The colours are quite nice. They do ping quite well, and with the black pinstriping down it as well, it just really sets it off. Maybe the pinstripe could have been a bit thicker, but it looks good and everything works. So, let me know in the comments, guys. Tell me what you think. It's been a lot of work, but we got there. Now what we're going to do on Sunday is, next Sunday is test. It's now Sunday night, this Sunday night. So next Sunday we can use this chap's place who has a truck company and he'll let us use it, which is private, so we can actually test the car out and see how everything goes. These are the dash plates. This is the left and right hand one. This is the centre one. And as you can see, it's got the sponge inside it to go over that centrepiece where the ITG filter is in it. So, there you go. Everything works. So, yeah, really pleased. I think the headlight. What I didn't notice until the other day was when Amir's done these headlights, which are basically like ram air. There's pipes going them straight into the weather. What I didn't notice, he'd actually done them vertically and horizontally perfect. If you look at the squares on them, in line with that nipple. I never even noticed he'd done that. And you can see the same there. So he got the nipple upright so that it wouldn't be at different angles, which I wouldn't have thought about, to be honest, but there you go. So as usual, guys, stay safe, keep the faith, and enjoy your hobby. I know I've enjoyed putting this back together, that's for sure. Take care.